How to download and install eBay app. Let's see in this video. Before getting started, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for more updates from us. Now let's begin. So the eBay application can easily be found on your Google Play Store. So the first step is you need to open up your Google Play Store on your device and you need to tap on the search bar of the upper section and search for eBay. Once you do that, you'll be easily able to see the search results with this application. You have to simply tap on install option, which is at the right hand side of the app, and it will take a few seconds to minutes depending upon your internet connection to install it on your device. Once you install, you can either create your account or you can log into your account if you already have one, and from over there you can use the various services of eBay application. eBay is like a shopping application from where you can shop from all over the world or worldwide. All the items over here is authenticity guarantee and you can shop with confidence. If you are a seller or influencer, then you can also introduce eBay Live, from where you can introduce your items to the customers. And there are various other services of eBay. You can install it and use the services. And after a few seconds, you can see eBay application has been installed on my device. You can simply tap on open and you can go for further process. So this is how you download and install eBay app. I hope this video was helpful. If you have got any confusions regarding this video, then you can mention down below in the comments. Thanks for watching.